Hello, Assalamualaikum students. How are you? Fine, perfect. I think so. We have to discuss about the last lecture to how to find the value of variable. This topic divided into 4 types. I discussed with you that first one is if both matrices is in simplified form, we can be compared directly. And the second type is that we make it simultaneous equation, or it may be solved by the substitution method and or by elimination method. Okay, and the third type is this that if the simplification is possible, to you first simplify the equation, and then at that moment both variables both orders are the same, and the sign of equality in middle, and you can be compare both matrices. These are the 3 types, and the last one is this. I think so. I'm showing to you what have to discuss about the last topic. In the last topic, we have to discuss about this types of questions. How to find the value of variable, and it could be the value of x in here. Just so you find the value of x. So in previous class, we have to learn about this question, how to solve this type of equation. You can see this in here. I'm devised to you. Just recall to you that how to calculate this form. First we calculate the 2x in here, and the minus 3a is converted to on right hand side, it may be positive. So 3a plus b, 3a plus b. So we have 2 matrices of the same order. If the order is same, we can be calculated, we can be add or subtract to each other, but the order will not same. You cannot be calculated by addition or subtraction. Okay, so we have this there. Then the value of 3 is here, and the value of a becomes 2 from question from here, and plus the value of b comes 2 from question. Okay, first of all we have to simplify this thing, and we have to multiply every value of in this matrix, multiply to 3. So it could be 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, and so on. And at this moment, how to calculate this on further? The order is same. The order is same in here. You can be see this. The order is same in here. Okay, so you can be add or subtract both matrices. So the answer will becomes to 6. How? We have a lot of practice at that moment, so we can be calculate directly at the condition. So 3 plus 3 equal to 6, minus 3 plus minus minus. This minus 3 minus 4 becomes minus 1 becomes minus 4. 6 plus 0 means 6. Minus 6 plus 4 becomes minus 2. 12 plus 5 equal to 12 plus 2 equal to 14, and 15 plus 1 equal to 16. This is the matrix we have to add to these matrices. Now, what should be the next step in here to find the value of variable? 2 is multiplied by x. So how to remove this 2 at this condition? How to remove the 2 at this condition? You can say that every value of this matrix, the answer of this matrix is divided by 2. Every value of this matrix is divided by 2. So 2 is multiplied by here and move on the right hand side, it become the denominator. Okay, and then after that we divided all these values by 2. Okay, so 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. You can be answering here. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, minus 1, minus sign as it is ऐसे ही रहेगी. 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, and then 2 8. 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. This is the answer of this equation we have to done on the last class. This type of questions we have to done in the last class. So I think so that's enough to calculate the how to find the value of variable. uh, I will send you the assignment by using the value of variable from your book, and you must be uh, calculate or simplify the equation on that matrices. Okay, so I will be uploaded on your classroom, and then you will see that and solve by yourself. Okay, so now moving to the next topic. What is the next topic? The next topic is first. अब बताएं मुझे next topic होना क्या चाहिए. First, we talking about the definition of the static matrices, and then we have to discuss about the types of matrices, and then we have to discuss about the addition or subtraction, and then we have to find how to calculate, how to find the value of variable in matrices. So addition, subtraction clear, and the transpose of matrix is clear, all things clear. Now moving to the next topic. Our next topic is too difficult about in matrices question. So we have to move by the rule of multiplication. We have to use by the rule of multiplication. What is the rule of the multiplication? Anybody knows about this? Anybody knows about this? How to multiply the equations, how to multiply the matrices? Anyone is there? Can anybody know the rule how to multiply the matrices in question? Yes, you can see that it may be solved directly, but you must to know about that the rule of what is the rule. Okay, for MCQs base and knowledge base, you have to understand that okay how to what is the rule of multiplication. Okay, so first we discuss about that the multiplication among matrices is only possible when the columns of the first are equal to the rows of the second. Columns you must be see on your screen. My laser light is here. Columns of first matrix. Columns of first matrix are equal to the rows of the second. Suppose in A multiplied by B, if we A multiplied by B, so first to think about this, what is the rule of the multiplication? First we check the rule of the multiplication, if it is it possible to multiply it or not. So you come to see that in here it is very clearly said that columns of matrix A should be equal to rows of matrix B. Rows of matrix B. So at this time, a lot of students may be confused, but the rule is columns of A and rows of B. Columns of A whatever फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स क्या है, P वो P नाम दे सकता है, P मल्टीप्लाई बाय Q कह सकता है उसको. तो you must be check this. A should be the first matrix and B should be the second matrix. So whatever the question there should be the terms involved in this matrices. It may be used by using P, Q, R, so on. Okay, so there is a thing is this that you show that by the rule of this matrix. What is the rule? Column of A, columns of A should be equal to rows of B. A के columns and B के rows क्या होनी चाहिए? Same होनी चाहिए. You must see that this is the confusion way. This is the very confusion way to how to. This is the rule of the multiplication. ये शो करता है कि ये दो मैट्रिसेस जो हैं, टू मैट्रिसेस जो हैं, वो आपस में मल्टीप्लाई हो सकते हैं कि नहीं. ठीक है ना. किस तरह से मल्टीप्लाई होंगे उसका फॉर्मूला अलग है. किस तरह से मल्टीप्लाई होंगे उसका फॉर्मूला अलग है. दिस रूल से दैट इफ मैट्रिक्स multiplied or not. Okay, this rule may be show that you can be multiplied or not. See the diagram. See on your screen. How many columns in A? How many columns in A? The columns in A is 1, 2. How many rows in B? How many rows in B? 1, 2. It will be so 2 columns of A and 2 rows of B, so that hence multiplication is possible. So इस बात को याद रखिएगा कि अगर हम मल्टीप्लाई करने जा रहे हैं तो मल्टीप्लाई करने के लिए हमें उसके रूल को चेक करना होगा. समटाइम एक क्यूब बोर्ड के अंदर खास तौर पर इस तरह से होता है कि वैल्यूज जो है ना वो थोड़ी डिफरेंट कर देता है. ठीक है ना. फिर हम क्या करते हैं, उसमें गलती करके उसको मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं. सो जो आंसर जो होता है वो नहीं होता जो आंसर उसको चाहिए था. ठीक है ना. तो इसमें बड़ी कंफ्यूजन होती है थोड़ी सी. सो यू कैन बी डिस्कस इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेरीज ऑन योर चैट बॉक्स. ओके, इज दिस क्लियर? इज दिस क्लियर? यहाँ तक क्लियर है सब चीजें? अभी सिर्फ रूल डिफाइन किया है कि मल्टीप्लाई होगा या नहीं. ठीक है ना. आई एम जस्ट डिस्क्राइबिंग दिस, द मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज पॉसिबल और नॉट. ओके, दिस फॉर्मूला say that the multiplication is possible or not. Okay, now move to the question. Let me suppose that matrix A is 2, 4, 5, 1 and matrix B is 5, 3, 0, 1. Matrix A is 2, 4, 5, 1 and matrix B is 5, 3, 0, 1. Okay, first to check. First to check the condition is this: columns of A and rows of B are same. Columns of A, it's mean this. How many columns A? 1, 2. And how many rows in B? 1, 2. So multiplication is possible. Multiply हो सकता है. Then A multiply by B. We have to sit that how to calculate the matrices, how to multiply the matrices. अभी तक हमने इतना पढ़ा कि दो मैट्रिक्स जो हैं वो आपस में मल्टीप्लाई हो सकते हैं कि नहीं, अभी तक इतना पढ़ा. ठीक है ना. अब जो पढ़ेंगे उसमें क्या पढ़ेंगे उसमें हम ये पढ़ेंगे कि किस तरीके से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. What is the procedure to how to calculate how to multiply to both matrices? You must be see this statement, read it completely. Multiply each row of first matrix is A, with the columns of second matrix. With the columns of second matrix. It means formula is this: row multiply by column. Formula क्या हो गया? Row multiply by column. So again, I repeat it again. Multiply each row. Multiplied each row of first matrix. Multiply each row of first matrix. First row of A is 2, 4. Second row of A is 5, 1. Multiplied with the second column. The second matrix is B, so it could be multiplied by first row multiplied by first column, first row multiplied by second column, and the second row multiplied by first column, and the second row multiplied by second column. So it may be more easier by using this formula. अगर आप गलती से परहेज करना चाहते हैं कि if you want your mistake is not in your, you cannot be understand, you can't be understand how to calculate how to multiply the equation is this, by using this formula you can be very helpful. So the formula is there is 2 by 2 order, there are 2 by 2 order. So multiplication is this, that R1 multiplied by C1. First thing is show the first matrix, and second thing show the second matrix. It means the first matrix is A and the second matrix is B. R1 multiplied by C1. You can see this, R1 multiplied by C1. Observe that. I can say again, you must be see for the value of R1 multiplied by C1, how to see that, how to calculate that. The term is first row multiplied by first column, first row multiplied by first column, and again the value of second value is R1. It means first row multiplied by second column. Okay, so first thing is this, R1 multiplied by C1 shows the first row multiplied by first column, and then the second row multiplied by second column. Okay, you must be see this, how to calculate this. First row multiplied by first column. We are talking about first row multiplied by first column. You can see that here is 2 values, 2 and 4, and there is also be 2 values, 5 and 0. First value multiplied by first value, and second value multiplied by second value, and the sign of the question, the sign of the answer in between the multiplication is positive. Okay, so how can we show that? You must be see in here कि फर्स्ट वैल्यू से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, सेकंड वैल्यू को सेकंड वैल्यू से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. इसका मतलब 2 5 10, 4 0 0. तो इसका मतलब 2 5 10, हमने 10 लिखा, एंड देन उसके बाद फिर प्लस का साइन लगाएंगे, एंड देन 4 0 0. अभी तमाम चीजें आगे शो होंगी, देखिएगा, इसको ऑब्जर्व कीजिएगा. फिर हमने कहा कि आप बात कर रहे हैं इसके लिए, सेकंड वैल्यू के लिए, R1 multiplied by C2. So where is the R1? R1 is here, 2 4. 2 4 multiplied by 3 1. It means the first value multiplied to the first value of second matrix, and the second value is multiplied to the second value. Okay, here is the any confusion in here? Row multiplied by column. row multiplied by column. You can be row multiplied by column. First value multiplied to first value, second value multiplied by second value. You can see this direction is this. The direction is this. The column, the row of first value is 2 and the second value is 4. And about this column, the first value is 5 and the second value is 0. That's why we can say first value multiplied to the first value and the second value multiplied to the second value. Okay, is defined? Everything is clear? So you can see this, how to solve the equation. Now see, by using this formula, R1 multiplied by C1. So R1 multiplied by C1. R1 multiplied by C1. So you can see this 2 5s are 2 multiplied by 5. You can see this 2 multiplied by 5. The sign is positive in between in here because there is no sign in here between in here. So the sign of positive should be here in every multiplication. Second value multiplied to the second value. 4 multiplied by 0. 4 multiplied by 0. The position of R1 multiplied by C1 is here. That's why you can, the value of the multiplication is here. What is the value of the second? R1 multiplied by C2. R1 multiplied by C2. Where is the position of the matrix in here? This is the position of B. This is the position of B. This is the position of A. This is the position of B. This is the position of C. This is the position of D. Now we are talking about the position of B. So position of B is this, that first row multiplied to second column. The first row is here and multiplied to the second column, So you can be multiplied 2 multiplied by 3, 2 multiplied by 3. The sign positive between the multiplication and the second value multiplied to the second value. And 4 multiplied by 1, 4 multiplied by 1. Clear? यहाँ तक clear है? Any confusion in this question? No problem. You can ask me in your chat box if there any problem in here. इससे ना जिंदगी आपकी आसान हो जाएगी. जो फॉर्मूला है ना, इस फॉर्मूले को सही से याद कर रख लें. 2/2 का अलग है, 3/3 का अलग है. मैक्सिमम 3/3 का होता है, उसमें आप जो भी ऑर्डर होगा वो मल्टीप्लाई पॉसिबिलिटी उसकी हो जाती है. ठीक है ना. So we have talking about the value of A, we have talking about the value of B. Now we are talking about C. What's the value of this? R2 multiplied by C1. R2 in the first matrix and C1 in the second matrix. So where is the R2? R2 is 5 1. Second row. R2 means second row. What is the second row of matrix A? Second row is here. And multiplied to C1, it's mean first column. So in the position of C is this, that the value of second row multiplied to first column. Second row multiplied to the first column. So 5 each value multiplied to each value, first value multiplied to first value, second value multiplied to second value. It means 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25 and 1 zeros are 0. So here's the mistake in there. You must be here in this, that 5 5s are 25. Okay, to multiply with this, you can see this R2 multiplied by C1 and then 5 multiplied by 5. You can see, you can place by 4, आप इसको चेंज कर दें, इसको आप 4 नहीं करें, आप इसको 5 कर दें, 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 हो जाएगा ये, ओके। एंड द सेकंड वैल्यू इज 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0, दैट इज 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0, ओके। इज दिस क्लियर? अगर इस गलती से हम यहाँ बच जाएं, तो अगर हम यहाँ पे इसको 4 ही लिख दें, यहाँ पे हम इसको 4 ही लिख दें, क्वेश्चन में ही हम यहाँ पे इसको 4 कर दें अपने आंसर्स को, अपनी वैल्यूज को, तो आपको फिर आगे ही कैलकुलेशन मसला नहीं होगा, कैलकुलेशन आगे वैसी लिख के वैसी रहेगी। सिर्फ आप क्या कर दें, इसका जो पार्ट ए है, पार्ट 1 जो है, आप इसका 5 की जगह पे इसको आप क्या कर दें, 4 कर दें, ओके। इस 5 की जगह पे आप इस क्वेश्चन को क्या कर दें, 4 कर दें, ठीक। यहाँ पर भी 4 आ जाएगा, यहाँ पर भी 4 आ जाएगा, क्लियर? एनी प्रॉब्लम till now? Okay, now we supposed to the value of 4 in here, so 4 multiplied by 5 is 4 multiplied by 5, 1 multiplied by 0, 1 multiplied by 0, and then this is the value of C. Now we find the value of D, the second row multiplied to second column. We suppose that the value of this is not 5, it is 4. So 4 multiplied by 3 in here, and then 1 multiplied by 1 in here. Okay. So आपने क्या करना है, आपने करना है यहाँ पे इस क्वेश्चन में, इस मैट्रिक्स ए की, मैट्रिक्स ए में इस 5 की जगह पे क्या करते हैं, 4 अप्लाई कर दें, और इस 5 की जगह पे क्या करते हैं, 4 अप्लाई करते हैं। तो यू मस्ट बी सी दैट द वैल्यू ऑफ द मल्टीप्लिकेशन is completed in here. यहाँ तक कोई मसला? अब इसके अलावा मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना आ गई, मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना आ गई, वैल्यूज को सिंप्लीफाई करना। अब जस्ट इसके बाद करना क्या है, इसके बाद सिंप्लीफिकेशन ही करनी है। अब आपको उसको वहाँ पे वाली वैल्यू मैंने यहाँ कॉपी कर दिया, देखो यहाँ पे मैंने मेरे कुछ वैल्यूज को कॉपी कर दिया, एंड देन वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट अबाउट दैट। 2 5s are 10, 4 0s are 0, 2 3s are 6, 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20, and then 1 0s are 0, and 4 3s are 12, plus 1 1s are 1. Your answer is equal to 10, 10, 20, and 13. This is the your answer. Now, here is any problem in there? क्लियर है टॉपिक मल्टीप्लिकेशन का? सिर्फ करना क्या है आपने स्टार्टिंग के अंदर जो आपको मैंने बता दिया है, ओके। सो इस लेक्चर को मैं अपलोड कर दूंगा आपके उस पे वीडियो पे, क्लासरूम पे, एंड यू कैन बी सी देयर, एंड you suppose any values in A 2 by 2, and you suppose any values B 2 by 2. The order will be the same, 2 by 2, 2 by 2. Any value you can be suppose the value of matrix, and then you can be multiplied to each other. Okay. जो भी क्वेश्चन इस सवाल में आपको मैंने दिया था ए और बी का, तो वो आप अपनी तरफ से कोई भी ए की वैल्यू सपोज कर लें, कोई भी बी की वैल्यू सपोज कर लें, और फिर उन दोनों को आपस में क्या कर लें, आपस में मल्टीप्लाई कर दें, सेम इसी रूल से, सेम इसी पैटर्न से। एनी कंफ्यूजन हियर? नो? ओके, ओके फाइन। नो क्वारीज? इजी लगा मैट्रिसेस? इजी लगा मैट्रिसेस मल्टीप्लाई करना? इजी लगा आप लोगों को? Oh, very good. Because in the case of multiplication, there are so many different questions. There are so many different types of question in here. We will be calculated. That's why this is the very important part in the matrices. क्योंकि multiplication के अंदर ही बहुत ज़्यादा involvement होती है, और बहुत ज़्यादा यहाँ पे कंफ्यूजन इन्वॉल्व हो सकती है। अभी तो ये ईजीएस्ट सा मैंने एक क्वेश्चन करवाया आपको, और जो है फिर इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट जो है वो हमारी वैल्यूज जो होती हैं क्या हो जाएंगी, वो चेंज होती जाएंगी। और फिर उसके ऑर्डर्स भी मैं क्या करूँगा, चेंज कर दूँगा, ऑर्डर भी क्या कर दूँगा, डिफरेंट कर दूँगा। जब ऑर्डर डिफरेंट करूँगा तो फिर इंशाल्लाह आप देखिएगा कि आपको किस तरीके से परफेक्शन आ जाएगी आपके टॉपिक पे। ओके ओके, great students. So till now, this is the end from my side, and I'm stopping this video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Must remember me in your prayers. Okay. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Take care.